Hi guys, today we're going to propagate some black raspberries.
You guys gonna help? Yeah?
Okay, in this video we're going to be propagating raspberry plants. These are black raspberries, and the plants come up like this and they have the canes, and then they'll get the little fruits on them, and some of them will drag down because of all the fruits, and they'll shoot up a lot of canes together in the same spot. When you want to propagate one, what you do is, you see how it's bending like this? You'd have another one that bend all the way down to the ground, and then you bury it with some dirt right here. Then all of a sudden it'll start putting in little roots down here in the ground. And then what you do is you take some cutters and you cut the plant here, and then the leaves, instead of going down, it's going up. And then we dig this out and transplant this.
Oh, there we go. Over.
Okay, this is the plant, the mother plant, I guess. I transplanted it from the side of the yard. I think it's wild raspberry, but the previous owner could have planted it, I don't know. But what it does is it grows these long canes, and they end up arching all the way down and then going into the ground. And where they go into the ground, they root. So what you do is you cut it from the plant to the root, like I've done here. I don't know if you can see these. You see these are sticking in the ground. These will all be extra plants. You can really see it with this one. See how it's upside down in the ground? And now the leaves the leaves are going up now. With help from the chickens, of course. Jack, you gonna help? Huh? Yeah? Is that how you help? Is that all you do? Huh? Bear? This one's half pint. She's the bottom of the pecking order. That's why she's still around. Well, the other one's left. So you get whatever's left. Come here. I'll see if I talk to them. I'll come running. There we go. All right, we've got enough plants now. You want to sever them and let them start growing before you actually transplant them. And you can actually put a pot down here, and then you already have it in a pot. All you have to do is cut it off and it's already in your pot. All right, when you're picking out a spot, especially for perennials, you're gonna wanna make sure it's a spot you're not gonna mind it being in for a long time, because it's going to keep coming back year after year. That's why I've chosen this spot right here to put a couple more. You going to help? For each plant, you want to give it a good sized hole. And you don't want to pack it down too tight. You want to give the roots a chance to grow. Right, girl? Crabgrass. You want to water them in real good. That'll help settle the roots in there. Alright, you can see the two plants I just planted. I bet they're going to do good. They had some good roots starting. What I'll do is I'll feed them some compost in the springtime. Help keep it going. Well guys, that was fun. I hope you learned something. Bye now.